Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, well, gotta say goodbye to the 300 for a little bit. Not today. Today is Monday. My appointment's not till Wednesday, but we gotta take this thing to Dodge. Gotta drop it off at the dealership and let them do some stuff on the thing. So I actually went out and did some rather spirited driving in Mexico, obviously. And as soon as I got home, checked the mail, recall notice. So there's actually a recall on this passenger airbag because apparently they explode in these cars. So called, set up an appointment, that whole thing, and I can't get a loaner. So I gotta go run all the errands today and tomorrow that I need to do for Wednesday too. It's just a mess. Because what I'm gonna have to do is I'm just gonna have to sit at the dealership, because the dealership's like 30 minutes from, yeah, so 30 minutes from, I guess, home. But yeah, so it's probably gonna be like an all-day thing. But anyway, I figured I'd bring y'all along for the process and whatnot. So I guess, I don't know, I've only ever had one thing warranted. My grandpa has jury duty, so he can't come get me. And well, I only have one friend, and I'm not asking her to make an hour drive to just hang out at the dealership. So yeah, that'll be nice and fun. And I don't know, maybe we'll go around, look at some new cars and whatnot. But anyway, I'm gonna go do whatever I got to do today and tomorrow, and I guess I will catch y'all Wednesday. All right, guys, so it is now Wednesday, and well, I guess we're headed to the dealership. So I am gonna ask him again, see if I can get a loaner of some sorts, because I got a bunch of stuff I need to do today. But if not, I guess it'll be all right. So anyway, I guess I'm gonna head down here and we'll see what we can figure out. All right, guys, so we have made it here to the dealership. I'm gonna run in here in the service department and see what they say. But anyway, like I said, I'm gonna run here real quick. My appointment's not for another 10 minutes, so figured I'd hang out here for a few, and then we'll run in and see what they got. And well, I guess I'll catch y'all when we leave. All right, so just like that, we are good to go. Now, if anybody was curious, this is the same place they do cars and coffee, first Saturday of every month. So if y'all are in the Conway area and you want to come to Cars and Coffee, I'll probably be there. But just over an hour, and well, we're good to go. So I guess I'll catch y'all at the house. We'll end out the video here, and yeah, I reckon that's probably gonna be about it for this one. All right, so it's actually a little bit later, but I got home and we tinted the 6.0, or I did with the help, a little help from my grandpa. But that'll be the next video. Pretty happy with that overall. But regardless, we're back. The mechanic had actually stopped me before I left. He said, "Hey man, I dropped my vape in your car." So we got out and look for it. I don't know what's the deal. But anyway, we're good to go. So what they replaced was the, actually, I'm gonna sit in here. I've never sat in the passenger seat of this car. I don't think, oh, it's weird over here. Oh yeah, that's because my friend adjusted the seat too, so I'm like sitting in the roof. But anyway, what they did is on this side, they replaced the thing on the airbag. So the I don't want to say igniter. I don't know. Something to do with airbag. But it's actually what they replaced. So the recall was that if the airbag goes off, the thing could explode and send metal everywhere for the passenger, and even could reach the driver. So we went ahead, took that in, get that done ASAP. But we should be good to go now. So if you have one of these cars, run your VIN, call your local dealer, run your VIN, and they should be able to tell you. So I think that recall's been out for a while, actually, but I just now got it, which is kind of weird. I've had this car registered for over a year in my name, so I don't know why I just now got one, if that is the case. But regardless, I did get one, and now we're all fixed up. So anyway, that, well, actually, I have the paperwork. The airbag inflator. Now let me cover up anything that's important here. Yeah, airbag inflator. So anyway, that's that. Got it all fixed up. And I'll leave this stuff right here in the glove box for right now. But that's that. It's taken care of. But again, if you haven't gotten one of those, if you have one of these cars, call your dealer and check, because that could be a large safety issue. And I know everybody, well, I don't plan on wrecking my car. Well, I don't either. But if something happens and my friend is with me or whoever, then, you know, safety is a priority. So regardless, that's that. If you have one of these cars, call and check just to make sure. You know, if it's just one phone call, a phone call could, yeah, cause, not making a phone call could cause lots of issues. And with my luck, we ain't trying to play them games. So, like I said, if you have one of these, call. It's worth a phone call, I promise. But you never know. But anyway, like I said, we just got some stuff in for the blue truck. We just finished tinting the 6.0. If you stuck around this far in the video, I will show y'all. So it's not like super dark. It might look like it on camera, but it's not super dark. So in this window, this is scratches on the outside of the glass. It's been that way forever. That's all on the outside. It's not coming off. Well, that's soapy water, but the scratches, at least, they ain't going nowhere. But we tinted this thing. So my buddy Josh cut me the side windows and the centerpiece for the back glass, if y'all remember the last video. But it looks good. I'm super happy with it. So might almost, I don't know, might almost layer some 20 on the front, make it a little darker, and then might throw something on the windshield. I don't know, we'll figure that out. Another update, my radio replacement shipped out about 3 hours ago, so it should be here in a few days. We'll get that in. I have a sub-wiring kit we're gonna go ahead and run. I need to figure out where I want to put my amp. So, or an amp wiring kit, rather. We need to figure out that before this goes back together, because I don't want to take this back out for that. So, we're going to be doing that at some point. I have it in the house. Like I said, I got to figure out where I want to put my amp. But while this is apart, we need to do that. In here, we got 2 different wires that we need to run. And yes, these are still in here because I'm going to start the truck and move it here in just a moment. But we have these 2 we need to run. One is a reverse trigger for the backup camera, and the other one is a lockout park. Let me take these out before I forget, and I'll move the truck here in a moment. But we need to get those wired. The park lockout things for the park brake. But we'll get that stuff wired up as well in a video. So I do got some videos coming up. I was slacking for a little bit. Got a little rough there for a little bit, but we're back on it. So I've been reaching out to some folks about some stuff. I'm trying to do a few things. There's a bunch I still want to do with this. Speaking of my friend, when we was in the 300, I got some stuff for her truck. It is currently getting some warranty work done. So as soon as it comes out of the shop, we got some tow mirrors from her, from our friends over at Sonor. I do have a discount code for our friends over at Sonor down below in the video description if y'all want to check them out. It is an affiliate program link thing, so it does help me out a little bit if y'all want to check them out. But regardless, I do want to get back to doing stuff. I kind of got away from it. Been looking at moving, so that's also a thing. But a bunch of stuff going on, if we're being honest, and kind of slacking on the videos. But like I said, we're getting back into it. I miss doing stuff with this whole thing, so yeah, kind of excited about getting back into it with this. But that is I guess that's everything. So guys, like I said, I reckon that's everything. So with that being said, if y'all enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, please drop a like and comment down below. Smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope everybody has a great day.